My name is Betsy Bland, VP Financials Product Management at Workday. Recently, my colleague Petros Dermetsis made a great video about our object-based in-memory technology. Now I know, if you're a finance person like me, terms like object-based in-memory technology are just a tad out of our wheelhouse. So today, I'd like to explain why the right technology matters for finance. Just like a house needs a good foundation, a finance system needs the right technology. At Workday, our fundamentally different approach to technology gives finance a distinct advantage, specifically for critical areas like analytics, close and consolidation, change and growth, and internal controls. Let's start with a little history. 30-some years ago, accounting functions were first automated, but in silos. And the code block was configured but fixed at implementation like cement. So it offered reporting, but limited only to financial reporting. In the 80s and 90s, accounting systems evolved into integrated accounting suites, which gave us better information, but still not enough. And with the advent of separate data marts and warehouses, things ultimately got pretty complex and still didn't address the need for real-time, multidimensional information. So more recently, accounting systems moved to the cloud. But in most cases, legacy vendors simply rewrote or ported existing on-premise systems to a hosted model, using the same rigid code block structure from 30 years ago. These cloud solutions give the illusion of a unified platform, but you still have to move data between modules for functions like planning and consolidation. And in the end, the data is still not in real time. At Workday, we took an entirely different approach. We embedded the whole notion of transactions and analysis into our foundation. Our object data model, together with in-memory architecture, solved the problems finance has had for 30-plus years. Our first step was to replace the inflexible code block with the object data model, a model that defines objects, their relationships, and their metadata, so the business information stays together with the accounting information. With other GLs, if you need a P&L by customer, it can't provide the answer. Instead, you need to extract revenue data from the GL and customer information from your CRM system and combine it in a data warehouse. Ask Workday the same question and the answer is immediately provided. You can also explore spend by objects like worker, supplier, marketing programs, and more, and do it instantaneously. Can you imagine what would be possible in your organization if you had the information you needed when you needed it? That's what the object model gives you: accurate financial reporting and business insight that's actionable and contextual, all in real time. Next, by storing all the data in memory, we eliminated batch processing. Finance can now transact, analyze, report, and plan on real-time data. In other systems, finance needs to wait for multiple batch processes to consolidate and update the GL. The data is only available at period end. It's not real time, and it's already out of date. In Workday, as we transact, accounting is generated automatically, so you can close, consolidate, and view performance at any time, and course correct, not just act retrospectively. Your data is current and contains all the operational and management dimensions you need for greater insight into the overall performance of your business. Most systems today were designed pre-Sarbanes-Oxley, so they don't natively support the audit, internal control, and compliance requirements now expected. With Workday, audit and controls are part of our business process framework. All activity is modeled and governed in the framework, and it's tied to organizations and roles. So nothing happens in Workday without a complete, undefeatable audit trail. And when business conditions change, as they always do, updates don't require calls to IT. Finance can easily make changes to your business processes when they're needed. So the Workday system can evolve as your business does. Just as the foundation of a house makes all the difference, the right technology foundation is of great importance for finance. Workday's underlying technology gives finance leaders access to real-time data. It's this rich business information, along with a flexible architecture, that helps finance be a strategic partner to the business and helps your organization keep pace with change.